allowed to take a shit in the bus?
Nope.
Okay. Waiting to go home. Sitting out in the lobby. Long day. Just can't wait to get on the bus and go home. And so, shit's gonna hurry up. Oh, fuck. There's nothing really interesting going on right now. Just bitches. Usual. Yeah, that's practically it, man. I have nothing else. Look at it. It's beautiful. Yeah. I know. We'll walk up and have a talk. Come on, down. Hey guys, back in the video. I'm really excited to the other one. But shit. Sitting here waiting to go home. Buses, getting ready. Amazing stuff. So leave in the comments what you would like me to make videos of, like games, I'm good even on a crappy view, Just let me know. And I will. And yeah. Shit, my bus doesn't come for like another hour yet. The bell rung.